This is my Grand Cafe gas smoker. I had this smoker for almost 12 years now. I'm using it to smoke ribs and fish. I did some modifications and I'm going to show it to you. Forgive me because it's a little bit dirty because I've been smoking for the past 6 months nonstop. To maximize my smoking, I decided to put more racks. Originally, this smoker comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 racks. But somehow I can only do so much of the fish and I cannot really maximize it. So I decided to put more racks. So this is the modification I did. I put this one up here and then on the second rack here, and I have another one here. Okay. And then from the bottom here, it's still the same. That's on the left side. It's on the right side. Originally, they have 1, 2, 3 racks. And I decided to put another one hanging here and another one hanging here. So total, I have 9 racks of my Grand Cafe smoker. So I'm going to try this, smoking some ribs and then mackerel at the same time, and let's see what will be the result. I believe this is the only surviving Grand Cafe gas smoker in the market. I'm just happy to have this one for 12 years, I believe. Grand Cafe gas smoker.